I completed the plumbing and heating apprenticeship. Once I finished school, I wasn't quite sure, so I just looked through all the different routes, different trades, and then I landed on the plumbing and heating side. It worked out well in the end. If you're thinking about doing an apprenticeship, I'd say it's well worth it. Try and go on a learning experience. I did a few weeks with a couple of different plumbers just to see if I liked it. It's really important before you jump in and spend 4 years doing it to find out that you actually like it. Stick to it, it does get hard, and sometimes you will want to just go back to A-levels or do something different, but I think it's worth sticking to it. Dwi'n meddwl y peth gorau am wneud prentisiaeth ydy dysgu syth efo rhywun sydd yn position ti eisiau bod yn barod. Mae just direct feedback ar y gwaith ti'n wneud on the spot, a mae lot haws dysgu fel o, dwi'n meddwl. Mae lot gynt ti'n clywed y syth beth ti'n wneud wrong, a beth sy'n gallu wneud y wahanol. Wrth wneud y prentisiaeth, dwi wedi bildio hyder yn y hun yn llefydd yn gwahanol mwy na just gwaith. Mae just ffordd ti siarad i cwsmeriaid y bobl hun a chdi, felly mae'n rhywbeth ti'n dysgu yn gwaith a ti'n rili'n pigo fo fyny yn dysgu yn dosbarth. Nes i gychwyn efo Owain Thomas Plumbing Heating tua 5 mlynedd nôl, sydd rhol gorffen ysgol mwyn y lai. O'n handi fo fod, oedd o'n llawer y hun na fi, so oedd o'n haws dysgu a siarad efo fo. Dim mi oedd i helpu fi lot trwy'r proses. As of right now, I'm still just trying to learn something new every day, and it's always extra courses I can go on, just sticking to that, still trying to learn every day. I finished my apprenticeship now, but I don't think I ever really stopped learning.